Okay, I got it going. It's running on 260 milliamps, 12 volts. I don't know the RPMs. I'll say 500 or 600. This is my very first test with it. I had it running on 9 volts and it was drawing 50 to 70 milliamps. Now I'm kind of cranking it. Pretty quiet, smooth. Not so quiet. Nine-volt battery here runs the Hall effects and the driver chip. And here's that timing mechanism. You see the little Hall effect right there, the little black thing. And ever so slightly I can move this fore and aft and adjust the timing a little more advanced, a little more retarded. Very precise. I adjusted it so I had a low draw. I can have more speed with it. So, you know, this has generator coils sharing the cores with the motor coils. 2/3 of the core are generator coils. 1/3 of the core are wrapped with motor coils. These are the motor coils on this side. Generator coils on this side. Right now I have the magnets in the both rotors lined up straight across. And the whole idea with this thing is I'm going to be checking offsets. You know, not straight across, but a little bit like 5 degrees or 10 degrees, different in either trailing or leading. And the motor coil rotor is pretty well fixed. And so I'll be moving this one. I loosened some bolts down there. And I'll move it over just slightly and test it. I have a video, my old videos, dual rotor motor generator. And at 1505 degrees, retarded, I believe it was, trailing, it had hardly any lens law when I would short out the generator coils. So here's the generator coils. I don't expect it to not have lens at this point because I have no offset between the two rotors. So let's see what happens. I'm just going to short it out. Here I'm shorting it out. You hear it slowing down a little bit, and the draw went up. Okay, so that's expected. Now, I need to do a lot more experiments. There's no keyway in the shaft. It's not like locked. It's just bolted tight. So I can't really run anything off the shaft right now because it'll just kind of slip under a heavy load. But this is the experiment with this thing, is to check the offset to defeat lens law, lens reaction. And this is supposed to be a replication of what I built in Belarus. But I have these really nice rotors now. So, got it going. I'll be making some more videos. Thanks for watching.